For every human illness, there is a plant cure. Long before modern medicine, people relied on nature's healing power, with our grandparents tending herbal gardens to soothe ailments, boost immunity, and maintain well-being. From calming teas to healing salves, these time-tested remedies were their first line of defense. In this video, we will explore these potent medicinal plants and their traditional remedies. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of their healing secrets. These age-old solutions have stood the test of time, and by the end of this journey, you'll be motivated to reintroduce them into your own garden. First up, let's talk about a powerhouse in natural medicine, Echinacea purpurea. This remarkable plant is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, often used to help fight colds, infections, and inflammation. Native American tribes traditionally used echinacea to treat wounds, snake bites, and other ailments because of its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Today it remains a popular herbal remedy, commonly found in teas, tinctures, and supplements. Beyond its medicinal uses, echinacea is a stunning addition to any garden. With vibrant purple petals surrounding a distinctive spiky cone, it stands out as both an ornamental and functional plant. It thrives in well-drained soil and enjoys full sun to partial shade, making it a resilient choice for many gardeners. This pollinator magnet attracts bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds, helping to support a healthy ecosystem. Once established, echinacea is drought-tolerant and will bloom beautifully from summer into early fall, providing both aesthetic appeal and medicinal benefits. Next up is mullein, the ultimate respiratory herb. If you've ever come across a towering plant with fuzzy, velvety leaves, you've likely met mullein, a powerful herb known for its respiratory healing properties. Used since ancient Greece to treat lung ailments, mullein has long been valued for its ability to soothe coughs, clear congestion, and reduce inflammation. Herbalists continue to use it today in teas, tinctures, and even steam inhalations to support respiratory health. Its dried leaves and flowers can be harvested and stored, providing natural relief year-round. Mullein is as resilient as it is useful. It can grow up to 6 feet tall, with soft, silver-green leaves and bright yellow flowers that attract bees and beneficial insects. This hardy plant thrives in dry, rocky soils and prefers full sun, making it an excellent choice for low-maintenance garden spaces. Drought-tolerant by nature, it requires minimal watering, only needing occasional deep soakings. Beyond its medicinal benefits, its towering stalks also offer shelter for small pollinators, making it a valuable addition to any garden. Another remarkable plant is bee balm, the stomach soother and cold fighter. Bee balm, or Monarda fistulosa, is more than just a beautiful garden addition. It's a digestive powerhouse. Known for its carminative properties, bee balm helps relieve bloating, stomach cramps, and diarrhea, making it a valuable herb for digestive health. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties which make it effective in treating skin infections, wounds, and even sore throats. Historically, Native Americans used its leaves to brew teas that treated colds, fevers, and infections, showcasing its versatility as a natural remedy. In the garden, bee balm is a showstopper. With vibrant tubular flowers that bloom in shades of red, pink, or purple, it brings a splash of color to any space. It thrives in rich, well-drained soil and enjoys full sun, though it can tolerate partial shade. Keep the soil consistently moist but avoid overwatering to prevent mildew. Bee balm is a pollinator magnet, attracting hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees, creating a lively, buzzing garden. For optimal growth and continuous blooms, regular pruning helps promote bushier foliage and more vibrant flowers throughout the summer. Our next plant is Tulsi, holy basil, the stress buster. They don't call Tulsi the queen of herbs for nothing. This sacred basil is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and promotes emotional balance. Whether you're dealing with a hectic workday or navigating emotional ups and downs, Tulsi tea can help keep you grounded. Beyond stress relief, Tulsi is also known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, supporting overall wellness. It has been a cornerstone in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years, used to treat ailments ranging from respiratory issues to digestive problems. Tulsi is not just a powerful medicinal herb, it's also a beautiful plant in the garden. It has small, fragrant leaves that can range from green to deep purple, depending on the variety, and tiny flowers that attract a variety of pollinators, particularly bees. Regular harvesting encourages new growth, keeping the plant healthy and productive all season. Tulsi thrives in a warm, sunny spot with well-drained soil. Ideally, plant it in a garden bed that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. To keep the plant healthy and productive throughout the season, regularly prune any yellowing or damaged leaves to promote fresh growth and overall vitality. Let's move on to lemon balm, the nerve calmer. Feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or struggling with digestion? Take a deep breath and brew some lemon balm tea. This soothing herb is a natural mood booster, helps ease tension headaches, promotes restful sleep, and even supports the immune system. It's also used to relieve indigestion, bloating, and nausea, making it a must-have for any herbal medicine cabinet. Lemon balm has bright green, textured leaves with a citrusy scent that intensifies when crushed. Thriving in partial shade or full sun with well-drained, moist soil, it's a low-maintenance herb that attracts bees and butterflies. Regular watering and pruning keep it lush, encouraging fresh growth and preventing it from becoming woody or invasive. Next, peppermint, the cooling healer. No healing garden is complete without peppermint. This refreshing herb is a lifesaver for digestive issues such as nausea and indigestion, and is also effective for relieving headaches and mental fatigue. The cooling properties of peppermint can instantly soothe an upset stomach and promote relaxation. For centuries, peppermint has been prized for its anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and analgesic properties, making it a staple in herbal medicine for a variety of ailments. Peppermint is a fragrant medicinal powerhouse that adds beauty and biodiversity to your garden. Thriving in moist, rich soil with partial to full sun, it's best grown in containers to control its aggressive spread. Regular harvesting encourages bushy growth while preventing it from taking over. Plus, its tiny purple flowers attract bees and butterflies. Last but not least is calendula, the skin soother. Got cuts, burns, or irritated skin? Calendula is here to save the day. These vibrant orange flowers are packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making them an excellent remedy for everything from diaper rashes to acne. Calendula is also known for its ability to promote wound healing, soothe skin irritation, and reduce inflammation, making it a must-have herb in any natural medicine cabinet. It has long been used to treat eczema, sunburns, and chapped skin, helping to restore moisture and speed up the healing process. Its antibacterial properties also make it effective in preventing infections. Calendula's cheerful, daisy-like blooms stand out against its bright green foliage, adding a pop of color to any garden. For a stunning display, plant calendula in clusters to create bright golden swaths of color throughout your garden. This hardy annual thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, but it can tolerate light shade as well. Water regularly, but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Butterflies, bees, and other pollinators flock to its nectar-rich flowers, ensuring a lively, pollinator-friendly garden. Harvest petals frequently to encourage continuous blooming and to maintain its medicinal potency. And that's a wrap on these incredible plants and their healing benefits. Growing medicinal herbs is a vital skill that we should all learn and reclaim. By cultivating and using these powerful plants, we reconnect with centuries-old healing traditions and bring natural remedies into our daily lives. Hopefully, this video has inspired you to start your own medicinal garden, creating a natural medicine cabinet right in your backyard. Start small, whether it's a single container, a windowsill herb garden, or a small raised bed. The important thing is to begin. Let us know in the comments which medicinal herb is your favorite. This video is for informational purposes only.